Let's see what my good friend Chips is up to. Let's just walk over here.
One, two. Hi everybody, welcome to Chips' Workout 101. Today we're going to be talking about how to stretch thingies like a boss. But yes, that was a reference to you, Dylan. You suck at jump roping. Now close the door so I can continue my 1-2s. 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh! Mommy, I hit me in the face.
If you did not hear that, it hit him in the face. And yeah.
Thanks for joining us in that workout, everybody. Improv number 8. I wonder if I can go all the way around. I don't want to try it. I'm scared.
Okay.
Discussion time, children.
I love it when you say that, by the way. Okay. Like I said in the last one, we are going to talk about, and yes, my hand is still wrapped, Mondays.
I just had the greatest idea. We should do like...
Just hold on to it.
I had a great idea about Mondays now.
Okay, you might as well say it.
So what we do is we do like one of those drama montage things where, you know, they have the music playing in the background and they're kind of doing that kind of half rhyming poetry singing stuff to it, and it's like Mondays put me in a haze, and it goes through and it's really awesome.
Do you know what he's talking about? Because I have no idea.
Oh, sorry everybody, he got a Snapchat. But like what I'm talking about is like when you see those like I don't know what to call them. They're like those videos where they're talking about something, and it could be like, you know, completely stupid or whatever, but they have like the musical soundtrack to the back of it, and they're kind of like singing the story to you.
We don't have a story.
But, I mean, it's just Monday. Come on, work with me, Joe.
Sure still slippery?
Yes. Hey, everybody.
Hey, we're not done talking about Mondays. We haven't talked about how bad our days have been.
But don't they want to see birds? I'm sure
that was and he dropped it on himself.
I'm sure they love to talk about birds.
Okay. This is by National Geographic.
Joe, I can hold it on my own.
Let me see the author. Oh, it doesn't have an author. It's edited by Jonathan Elderfer.
Elderfer. Joe, I think I can hold it on my own. Okay, now. Oh!
We're gonna put this with me. But, well, you kinda, well, we might as well just talk about frickin' birds.
Why are we talking about birds?
Yeah.
When? What are you doing? Okay.
Mind if I keep this in?
Yes! Booyah! Totally unplanned for.
Improv 101.
Hello, welcome to call center. Collect 1-800-242-HELP. How may I help you today? Do you wish to talk about birds? Because I have a whole...
interrupted.
I could fax you a whole book. Incoming fax. There, I just faxed you the book.
Let's turn to page... No, I don't like those.
snipes, woodpeckers, and allies. What's an ally?
I don't even know what you're looking at.
Woodpeckers and allies on
Oh.
page 365. Oh, that's a hard bill. Mmm. Yeah. Hello, dog. Welcome to the hood on the west side.
Technically, we're central, in the middle of nowhere, also known as Minnesota. We addressed that in number 3.
Yes, Joe. I understand that.
Yeah, we're done.
We are not. Okay, yeah, I'm kind of running out of ideas. Hey, you know what you guys should do? As viewers, you should give us awesome ideas to talk about because that would be totally awesome. Leave it in the comment section. Just, you don't have to type down a whole paragraph or your life story or anything because I really don't want to read that. I just want to see 1-2 words of a subject. I don't know. Anything. Music, books, weather.
Sorry to interrupt again, but the chimichangas are done.
Ooh, chimichanga! Yeah! Leave it in the comments, folks. There's chimichanga. Bye. Welcome to St. Brown number 8. Thank you.
I apologize. I'm done. I'm done.